Betty from Patriot Subaru here. I'd like to show you just how easy it is to use the Express Buy program via our website. Through our Express Buy program, you'll be able to figure out your monthly payments, a trade value on the car you're currently driving, and save lots of time before you come into the dealership. In fact, you can do everything over your computer and we can deliver the car right to your driveway if that's easiest for you. The first steps in the Express Buy program is to select your vehicle. When you click the Patriot Express Buy button, a new window will open and ask a little bit about your current driving practices, as well as moving forward. You'll enter your zip code and the way in which you're willing to pay for the vehicle. You can even adjust your credit score to be more accurate about payments. Once you've selected the vehicle you're looking to purchase and told us how you're looking to pay for it, you can add a trade vehicle if you have one. You can either enter your VIN number if you have it, or put in some basic information about the car you're currently driving. You'll be able to select if the vehicle is in fair, good, or very good condition. Enter your current mileage as well as other information. The next screen allows you to add some of the finer details about your specific trade vehicle into the system. Please note that the app does pull all of the standard features of the trim level of your vehicle. After that, you'll be asked a few more questions relating to its condition. At Patriot Subaru, we use Kelley Blue Book to give you an average trade value, a source you can trust. Just save your trade information and you can add an additional trade if you have one. At this point, the program will ask for a little bit more personal information from you so that we can tie in any specials that may be applicable to your location. Continue on the next screen, which gives you the option to move forward, giving you finance options, lease options, or purchase of the car. Select the one that is most applicable to what you'd like to do, and we can customize it from there. You'll see our custom payment change as you change the options that you'd like to use moving forward. So let's continue when you're ready to move forward with your payment. You'll also be given the option to move forward with a credit application. If you choose to move forward with the finance application, you'll be prompted to add your personal information right on the screen. As always, our team is here to help out in any way that we can, including getting you more information like special incentives, discounts, or sales you may qualify for, and based on your car of interest. It's that easy. You can do all of this work from your phone, tablet, or computer. We take care of the heavy lifting for you here at the dealership, and as I mentioned before, we can even deliver your new car right to your driveway. We look forward to working with you here at Patriot Subaru, and we hope our Express Buy program makes your buying experience easy and hassle-free.